Welcome to Postage Stamp Bakers. Today we're going to show you our chickens and our setup. This is Olive. She is one of the two, yes, you are one of the two English Creole Orpingtons that we own. As you can see, she starts out with a very modest face and a small comb, then goes down to this beautiful blonde feathers, then down to this beautiful chestnut brown on the wings and center body, then to this almost laced look on the tail. And then down here we have an almost lightly barred feather skirt. And she is so beautiful. She lays good little eggs. Oh yes, they're so pretty. She lays good little eggs and she's kind of stupid. Both of our chickens that are Orpingtons are kind of stupid. No offense, but you're kind of stupid. So, she doesn't hold a very high pecking order status. She almost doesn't act like she's in the pecking order. But she is still super sweet, and as you can see, she doesn't really have any will to go anywhere at the moment. Yes, you don't. You're so good. You don't let her go anywhere because you're so big and fat. She's literally bigger than a basketball, people. This is my hand against her. I'll show you how small our next chicken is, and you'll see what I'm talking about. This is Margie, the girl I've been telling to be quiet. She is a black sex link. She doesn't look quite normal. If you see a picture of like a normal black sex link, then you'll see that she looks relatively small. And her face is actually kind of weird. She has that weird... Yes, you do. You're a little bit weird, but you're still pretty. You have a little bit of a weird eye ring. And then your Colin Waddle's kind of small. You're just relatively small. She has these beautiful, shiny, green feathers. Yes, they're so beautiful. They're even more beautiful in person. Anyways. They are more beautiful. Goodness, don't go away. Anyways, I might show her. I don't know. She's super loud. Yes, you are. But she lays a good egg every day. Really big. But the sad news is about any chicken breed name that ends in link is that they die within 3 to 5 years. So, Margie, you're not even one yet, but you will not be with us long. So, this is Edna, our crested cream leg bar. She is the adventurous and mischievous one in the flock. She's also really sweet. She also doesn't like to be held much. Come here, don't fall off the edge. Here. That's a good shot of her. This is Clara, our Rhode Island Red. To be completely honest, I'm not a fan of the breed. The first one we got was a rooster. We got her as actually what she looks like now, except she was pretty henpecked back here. So, we got her out of that rooster flock, and she came to live with us. The minute that she walked out of the coop, she decided, I'm going to be head here. That's how it's been ever since. She's been slightly competing with our next chicken, but she still is top, and she makes sure you know it. And she is an older hen. I think she's like 1.5 years, but I don't know. I suspect that we were lied to when we got her. I don't think that she's a young bird. I think she's maybe like 2 to 3 years old. And these guys will lay for... She will probably lay for another year or two. I don't know. But she definitely doesn't lay as much. And her eggs are huge whenever she lays them. And she's just a big hen too. So, Clara, you're kind of mean. So this is Amber, our Amber Link chicken. There's that link again. She's second to Clara in the order of, you know, top of the flock is what I'm calling it apparently. She's a sweet little girl, except for when she's mean. She does peck a lot of other chickens. You can see she's semi-obedient. She's kind of hard to catch though. I caught her with treats. Yes, I did. And she likes to growl a lot, which either indicates she's on the edge of broodiness when she lays an egg. She sits there and growls at other hens. Oh yeah. And yeah, she's just not the nicest hen, but she's kind of nice. Yes, you are. As you can see, she's very dirty because of the fact that she's white. And she lays a lot of eggs too, so she'll only be with us for 3 to 5 years as well. So, she was a cute little chick, and she's also a cute little big girl. Yes, you are. Oh my goodness, you're so cute, and I love you. Mwah, mwah, mwah. Okay, that's enough. You can go. Go eat those treats. This is Mabel, our cuckoo Moran. As you can see, she looks almost identical to a barred rock, especially with her unique comb and waddle. She also lays the same colored eggs as a barred rock, so for a while I thought that she actually was a barred rock. But she's not. Oh my goodness, you're so cute. You're going down. Anyways, she is like second or no, third or fourth in the pecking order status. Eat a lot of food, girl. She lays very good eggs almost every day. And is a really sweet girl. She talks back to you as well. She goes, "Bark, bark, bark, bark." This is Gertrude, our second English Creole Orpington. Yes, you are. Oh, sorry. As you can see by her comb, she is the lowest in the pecking order. Yes, can you hold still? Yes. Okay, as you can see, she's a bit of a different color. She's smaller than Olive. Excuse me. By the way, the reason that we named Olive is because we thought she was an alligator, but turns out she's not. She, has these beautiful golden feathers, like buff-colored feathers. She's got, you just karate chopped the camera. She's got this beautiful chestnut brown, same kind of barring on the skirt. She's got a little bit weirder feathers, but she has laced feathers. Lace? Do you like lace? Lace? Yes? She's a very sweet girl. Like I said, she gets bullied a lot, so very humble, not proud. And she is number 7 on the chicken list. Her and Margie were actually impulse buys. Chicken mac, if you know what that is. Yes, you were. You were so cute, we could not resist you. Okay, goodbye, Gertrude. She's got weird backtail feathers. She's not a Roo, I promise. Okay, now you might be wondering why we have this PVC. It's to support the wire roof and keep it from pooling up with water, which might have happened here. A little bit. Anyways. And the chairs are there to keep that from happening on the big roof, because that's really hard to access with a coop under it. We have the blanket on the coop to lock in heat. It works. Doesn't it, Margie? It's just water. Everybody's like, what in the world? Anyways, we have the feeders that are elbow feeders. They have tubes that go like this. And then they have the feed on top of that. Here, I'll see if I can show you what it looks like. Dang it. A torn! What are you doing? Huh? Gertrude, would you like a corn? Yeah, girls! Amber wants to corn. Can't get any closer. Oh my goodness, it's too dangerous. And I get the corn! Okay, anyways. Yeah, under the feet. Sort of see it. It's an elbow joint pipe basically. And this feed sits on top of it. Yeah, eat this. It's good for yours. I promise you it's good. Anyways. Yummy yums! Okay. Well, I just wanted to show you. Shush! Shush! Margie the chicken! Anyways, I just wanted to show you that. Excuse me! I know that you sleep there at night. You don't have to tell me that. Okay, anyways, I wanted to show you our coop. It is a cute little barn red Ivatuvan coop. It's really cheap, so it's already dying. But yeah, I just wanted to show you inside. It's a little bit poopy. They slept in here tonight. Knock the egg out. Okay, there's some eggs over there, so let's go get those. Okay, so this is an amber egg. So you might be able to see it's a bit spotted. And it's relatively good-sized egg. This is what you often see in your grocery store eggs. Then this is I don't know who exactly laid this. There. You can always tell if you compare. I think it might be a Mabel egg. Yes, I saw Mabel in here earlier. This is a Mabel egg. Okay. I just know they're eggs because I've been watching them. A Gertrude feather. Anyways. Can you show us how to scratch it, Amber? No, just... Okay, so this is how you eat peas, people. They have dried peas in their food, and they build them out of the awesome feeders. So they go around picking them up. How do we scratch it? Thank you, Amber. Okay, watch closely. I can't catch them all on camera to scratch it. This is how you scratch. And then we'll go through. Okay. Oh, there's another great example over there. So Edna goes with the 1 foot method. Amber goes with the 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. You'll see that in a second. Hopefully. Amber, can you show us your 1, 2, 1, 2, 3? Mabel does that too. Thank you, Mabel, for the generous showing.
What's the matter, Ava?
Took a dust bath.
Wow.
Yep.
You dirty girl.
Very dusty
She's
bath.
like, what are you talking about? I'm clean. Oh, how funny.
Just stop it.
Mabel, you look lovely. You look beautiful.
Oh,
You've never...
There, now we're better.
You've never looked better.
Okay, so this is Clara. She's the meanie, and no. This, ow, dude.